This is a 2008 Dodge Ram 3500. This truck has an automatic transmission, an inline 6-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a sunroof, heated seats, cruise control, a DVD player, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, chrome wheels, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This Dodge has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.